Well, hey! Fish right there! They're right here, look at him! Look! Hey! Hi! Look, Juanita! Look, they're right here!
That was awesome. Good morning, everybody. I'm sorry, morning peeps.
Good morning. We are having le breakfast
Yes.
of
Oatmeal.
champions. Oatmeal with some raisins in it. What are you doing? Cheers. It has to steep.
It has to steep. Yep.
Wow. Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
That's what mine has to do.
We mounted a light in here in the head. So now we have a little bit more light in here in our clean working head.
Yes, bathroom.
Yeah. Fancy.
Fancy.
So just thought we'd say good morning.
Yeah.
We'll see how the day goes. It's a bit chilly out there.
A little windier than what we were expecting for today. But we'll see what the tide brings.
Anyway. Good morning. We're getting rolling.
Yep.
How about you?
Okay, there we go. Okay. So, next project. Our bumper pad here had that nasty rope, so we've taken it off because it's shredded. And we're going to tie that rope,
New rope.
some newer rope, and redo the two bumpers. And I think we're going to use that knot right there. We're going to attempt it. Again, we might be using the wrong knot. I'm so sorry. But we're going to see if that one works.
Amateurs.
Okay, so
Yes.
we got it on there on our thingy bobber. I don't know if you can see it because I don't even know what I'm looking at. Sorry, guys. And now we're trying to put it on the thing on the boat. So we're trying to figure out what the best knot is. So Mike's done that one.
For the moment.
For the moment.
I think a bowline would be better.
Yeah, so that's what we're going to try now.
Yeah.
So
Let's try that.
we'll try that. Okay, I think we're filming. Yep. With the sun behind me, I can't see the red dot.
Gotcha.
So we did the line. It seems to work. We had to put the book upside down, but we figured it out. So
We're learning knots.
there's our first knot. Might be the wrong
I
knot.
was in the Boy Scouts, but it's been a long time since I had to tie a knot.
I was in the Girl Scouts, but it's been a really long time for knots too. I agree. So if we did the wrong knot, we apologize.
Yes, up front. Hey,
Let us know.
we're new.
If it's the wrong knot, let us know what type of knot we should be using.
Yes.
We appreciate it by all means. Okay, Captain Mike, we got off the dock. Not one of our best, but we got off by ourselves.
We did get off by ourselves.
And then we had to get gas.
Kind of boogered that landing, but
Yeah. But that's okay. These things happen, I'm going to presume.
I didn't do terrible, but I can't say I did really good either. But I was doing good until I put it in reverse,
And then the front end went where it wasn't supposed to go.
and I turned the wrong way. My fault. I turned the wrong way, and the bow of the boat went directly to the dock. At that point, it bumped the diesel dock, but that's fine. It wasn't
Not hard. It just did a nice little.
just bumped it, and then at that point I was able to kind of turn and get things back in order. But
Yeah.
it's all good.
Yeah. So, but we do have another. I was going to turn it around.
Go ahead.
Are
You're
you
good.
still talking?
You were pointing at you.
Oh, sorry. So we do have another beautiful day out. So we figured we'd take it out for a little bit. Because tomorrow we take it to go get the bottom painted. And it looks like it's about a 2-hour course for us. So 3.
Yep.
There you go. On to. Can you hear? There's no engine on.
Sail is up. What did you say yesterday? Just a lady in her boat?
Just a lady in my boat with her hubby.
That would be me. We're just practicing. We're doing 2.7 knots. Not a lot of wind, but hey.
This is the part that I like.
Yeah.
I do not like the motor on.
This is
But
true.
I know we have to do it sometimes.
But this is very peaceful.
Yes.
And this is good practice for us.
Very good practice. But we got some good wind going.
Yeah,
Usually
we're doing
when
okay.
we show it, we don't have, that's not out like that.
Right.
Yesterday we had a little bit of an issue with it.
Yeah, it wouldn't unroll all the way.
Nope. So we had to twirl it around, and we fixed it though. We did good.
Yep, we did.
Okay, but we'll check back in with y'all in a little bit. Say bye.
Ciao, ciao. We're motoring them back in. Captain Juanita at the helm. It's kind of chilly out here. Yeah. What? 18 knot winds. Yeah, definitely the winds picked up. We were out there. It was a lot less. We started coming back, which we knew it was supposed to pick up. It definitely picked up. Yeah, but it's straight ahead of us, so wasn't helping us. But we went out, played a little bit, learned some more, played in the channel. We were just tacking, crossing the channel. About the time we tack, get everything set up, okay, we're already across the channel, we gotta do this again. So that didn't help. Anyway, on the way back, Captain Juanita at the helm. We'll talk to you for our sundowner once we get docked. Howdy.
Hi peeps. We made it back.
We're back.
Yep.
Back at the dock.
Yes. We told you getting off the dock, current was a little bad. Kind of tweaked that a little bit, but not too bad.
I just didn't do well.
Gas dock, he just didn't do well.
Yeah, diesel dock, I kind of messed that up a little bit. I was coming in good, and I put it in reverse to kind of slow it down, and I had the steering wheel turned, and so the bow of the boat went straight to the dock and bumped the dock. But that's all right. I mean, you know, nothing hard. But and then from that point, you know,
Yeah. So we're doing
I backed out and come in again a little bit different. So
Yeah. So what is this called? The
Sundowner.
Sundowner.
Yep. So we went out.
We did go out.
Played with the roller furler. It's fixed. We had to tweak it a little bit. It fixed it yesterday.
Yep. But it worked really well. We were going back and forth across the channel.
Yeah, because the winds were really low.
They were. They were going about 10.
Well, no, they were much lower.
But they
in the
were much
beginning.
lower, yeah. They kept going up and down.
Yep.
But we had fun both tacking, and then we changed spots, so that way we get more comfortable steering the boat under sail, because that's a big difference.
Yep.
And then coming back,
We put the sail down.
put the sail down, and then we were hitting 17,
18.
18.
It's not wind.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
On the nose.
Yes.
It's chilly.
It got a little chilly. We did ask for assistance this time for docking, because the current was just horrendous today.
Yes.
But Mike did great docking. We probably didn't need the assistance.
No, but it was nice
Be safe than sorry.
with the way the currents were. I wasn't sure.
Yep.
But it was coming in from the nose, which was perfect.
Yep.
And it was good, but just definitely was pushing us away
Yes.
as we were coming across. So
Yeah, even as we tied it down, the currents kept pushing the boat back off the dock. So,
yes. And now it's definitely has calmed down now.
yes.
But
Oh, Mike's gonna drink his.
we're gonna have our little sundowner. We're gonna have our little drink. Beta Blast. These things are amazing. There's no alcohol,
No, Mike would prefer
But-
the energy drinks.
but apple. It's very good.
Yep.
So I know the owner. They're great people. He's a good guy. There you go, Kevin. Shout out to Kevin.
Yeah. Okay. Let's get her open. If we can open her.
Yeah. Shake it up.
No?
Let's shake it up.
How's that?
Perfect. Yep.
You had first drink?
No, you had first drink. Congratulations. We did awesome.
We did awesome this week. Ching!
Ching. Cheers. Just the thought of the taste.
Mike likes these.
And that is so cold too. Wow,
It is very
that
cold. I know.
It's excellent. Anyway,
It makes my lips tingle.
that's Beta Alanine. Good stuff. Gives you more endurance.
Oh, is that what that is? So tomorrow is the day we take the boat over to
The boatyard.
the boatyard.
Safe
to,
harbor.
Yep.
Boatyard.
It seems like it'll be about 2 hours for us to get over there.
Yep. That's what it said.
Was what it said. So we're just going to
Somewhere in
verify
there?
that. Yep.
They'll pull the boat out, and then they will paint
Paint
the
it?
bottom.
And then
Call
call
us.
us, and we got to come back and get it.
Come back and get it. So, but we've done lots of projects this week.
Yep.
So,
Now we got to figure out how to use Uber
yes,
to
we've
get back to
never.
the car. We've never used Uber.
So,
I know, we're old.
should be exciting. Anyway.
We'll talk to y'all later.